Just say hey.
안녕하세요.
Hey, everybody say Dino. Sure, just how just news. Everybody does.
Sanunka.
Come on, baby, hey, honey.
Привет.
Come on, baby, hey, honey. Come on, baby. Hey, everybody says hello. Hey, Dina, say hello. Hey, Dina, say hello. Na 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 na. Just say honey. Just say hello.
GAC Motor.
Distinguished guests, friends from media, our business partners, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, and welcome to the press conference of Guangzhou Automobile Group Motor Company. Let's explore our brand concept and experience the special charm of GAC Motor. First, I would like to introduce you the special guest of today's program. Please welcome Mr. Ryan LaFontaine, Chairman of 2018 North American International Auto Show. Welcome. Mr. Feng Xingya, President of GAC Group. Welcome. Mr. Zhang Qingsong, Vice President of GAC Group. Welcome. Mr. Yu Jun, Deputy Director of GAC Group, Executive Committee, and President of GAC Motor. Welcome. Mr. Wang Qiujing, Deputy Director of GAC Group, Executive Committee, and President of GAC Engineering. Welcome. Mr. Zhang Fan, Vice President of GAC Engineering. Thank you. Please welcome. Now, please welcome the chairman of 2018 North American International Auto Show, Mr. Ryan LaFontaine, to give a speech on stage. Please welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for having me here today. It's truly an honor
to be part of the GAC Press Conference and just experience this passion and share this passion, obviously, that this brand has. They've been loyal and grown this last 4 years, committing to the displays, and each and every year getting bigger, and looking, obviously, at the vehicles that they're going to unveil today to over 5,000 global press and over 800,000 public people during public days. It's truly an honor to have you and watch you grow, and the excitement and passion that you guys exude each and every day, and we're just very proud to have and be part of that. While you guys sit here and aspire to be part of North America, we can't wait to see your vehicles out on our streets and growing with you, and we're just proud to have you here today, and it's truly an honor. Thank you again for having me here to speak. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Mr. LaFontaine. As you have mentioned, more and more Chinese brands are constantly refreshing the traditional cognition about made in China and creating new surprises and expectations to the world. In recent years, as one of the most powerful and fastest growing automobile groups in China, GAC Group is accelerating the process of internationalization and strategic distribution in all directions. Today, we are very pleased to invite Mr. Feng Xingya, President of GAC Group, Chairman of GAC Motor, to introduce the developmental trend and future international strategic deployment of GAC Group. Please welcome Mr. Feng Xingya.
Respected Mr. Ran LaFontaine, distinguished guests, dear media friends, good afternoon. Thank you, Ran, for giving us an opening speech. On behalf of GAC, I'd also like to thank everyone here for your attention to Chinese automobile and your support to GAC. In the past 2017, GAC hit a historic high record with the production and sales volume of 2 million units and a growth rate of over 20%, 17 percentage points higher than that of industrial average of China. Based in China, GAC is determined to extend products and services to other parts of the world. Our strategic goal is to become a world-class Chinese brand and to establish a global industrial and R&D system. We believe that European and US markets, and in particular the latter, are very critical. The US has a mature legal system, and its inspection system is tougher than that in any other overseas market. Therefore, we want to give us a chance to challenge ourselves, which is to penetrate the US market in 2019, and the European markets when appropriate. We have already set up GAC Silicon Valley R&D Center last April, which is in good operation now. GAC Detroit R&D Center and the Los Angeles Advanced Design Studio are under preparation. As of today, with the development of artificial intelligence and internet technology and the need of environmental protection, great changes are taking place in the automobile industry and even the entire human mobility. Electrification, intelligence, connectivity, and sharing has become the 4 major automobile development trends. In order to cope with this situation, GAC has set up a shared platform with GAC Industrial Park and intelligent and connected new energy vehicles as the core pace data. We also work with some of the industry-leading technology companies. Our aim is to carry out deep cooperation to develop new intelligent and connected new energy automobile products. We hope to constantly explore future paths of the industrial revolution and contribute to the well-being of mankind. Later, we will present a new all-electric concept car in Virgil. It's GAC's first compact, sport multiple utility NEV concept car designed for US market. Featured with advanced design language and core technological achievements of new energy. In Virgil fully showcases our bold imagination and attempt for the future of mobility. Last but not least, welcome to Guangzhou, where you can feel the dramatic changes occurring in China. And welcome to GAC Motors plant to experience the smart Chinese manufacturing. Thank you.
Thank you to Mr. Feng. Now it is time to unveil the compact sports multi-utility new energy concept car, Inverge, designed for the North American market. To our beautiful models. As the global first launch of the new concept car, signaling the start of GAC's journey in North America, what secrets does Inverge behold? Now let us welcome Mr. Jung Fan, Vice President of GAC Engineering, to reveal those secrets.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It's my great honor to introduce you the latest show car we brought to you. We are in an era of revolution in the automobile industry. Well, switching to a more sustainable energy source, how do we create the charm and the dynamic appearance that is unique to a modern EV? How to attract and impress young people? How to show our vision and the determination for the global market as an emerging car brand from China. Now, we have brought you the Inverge concept, and we strongly believe it's a great answer to those questions. As a compact crossover, it fits perfectly the fastest growing car market segment in North America. As a high-performance crossover EV, Inverge concept is not only well suited for the busy urban life, but also is able to undertake various heavy-duty off-road tasks. In the front of the car, we evolved our iconic design language of flying dynamics. The radiant LED headlights and the grille are combined horizontally as one. The kicking feature on the side demonstrates a clean but strong character, which interprets perfectly blend of EV's high-tech look and perceived automobile spirit. Lights inside the rear LED stripe can flow towards each side, illustrating the beauty of technology in rhythm. The interior of Inverge feels like a floating space capsule. Its horizontal screen instrument panel seamlessly adapts to young people's lifestyle in digital age. Inverge is an intelligent travel companion which provides innovative human-car interaction. It can adapt users' driving preference automatically with the data in cloud. The front seats combine 3D knitting fabric with high-density transparent frames, demonstrating sci-fi-inspired lightweight material innovation. The panoramic AR glasses in the rear seats provide exciting entertainment for the passengers so that they could immerse themselves in a world enhanced by virtual reality while they are on the road. According to users' needs, Inverge is able to carry a set of smart electronic gadgets on the roof. For instance, a balance wheel, a drum, and much more. Also, a very neat solution, the detachable front fog light actually could be used as handheld torch for an expedition in the wilderness. Inverge concept is based on our latest EV platform in development. It has 71 kilowatt-hour battery and a range of over 370 miles, which eliminates the so-called range anxiety. Using 350 kilowatt power grid, Inverge can travel up to 240 miles within 10 minutes charge. Our wireless charging module is also available for the concept to diversify its charging options. Today, from China to America, and then to the entire world, with our understanding of the future, progressive innovation, and passion for life, GSM Motor joins a gala of North American International Auto Show, together with everybody here, to embrace a brighter tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you to Mr. Jung Fan for the impressive introduction of our concept car, Inverge. Now let us welcome Mr. Jung, Deputy Director of GAC Group, Executive Committee, and President of GAC Motor, to give a speech on stage.
Good afternoon, respected Ms. Ren Lafontaine, Mr. Feng Xinya, distinguished guests, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very delighted to get with you today in Detroit, a city globally known for its glorious automotive industry. It was also in Detroit that in 1963, Martin Luther King gave his famous "I Have a Dream" speech right here in front of Cuba. We honor him today on this special holiday. Today's Detroit continues to attract top automakers and the brightest minds worldwide. With its leading technology in navigation and intelligent transportation systems, Detroit has put itself at the forefront of the global intelligent mobility sector. GAC Motor is a young Chinese auto brand. In 2017, we sold more than 500,000 vehicles in China, with a year-on-year growth of 37%. We have also managed to remain as the top Chinese brand in JD Power IQS for 5 consecutive years. This honor recognizes our efforts to be a world-class automaker. Today, we offer you our top lineup, including GS8, GM8, and GA8, and other popular models in the family, along with 2 new independently designed engines, which reflected the latest innovation in GAC Motors design, technology, and products. We also will launch our new middle-size sedan, GA4, which goes on sale in China on January 18th. As another blockbuster model on a strategic level, the introduction of GA4 will form a rich product line of GAC Motor to boost the sales growth of sedans. To achieve our goal, GAC Motor North America Sales Company is set to be established this year. We will, for the first time ever, attend the NADA annual convention in Las Vegas this March. In preparation for entering the North American market in the fourth quarter of 2019. While keeping fast growth, CSR has become an important part of GAC Motors' culture. We have engaged in some major public welfare activities with a focus on global environmental protection, including building China's first ever 3-river source national park with WWF. We have come to this Motor City to share our thoughts for the good of the global car industry. With this faith, we will be able to stand up for our dream together. We also sincerely hope, with our vision and efforts, you will find us open and innovative. We look forward to your increasing attention and support. In our pursuit of the North America market, GAC Motor stands ready to share our high-quality products and work with all of you to create a better life of mobility. Thank you.
Thank you to Mr. Jung. Now let us present you all the new strategic compact car from GAC Motor, GA4. With a fluid, fashionable design and a cozy interior space, GA4 provides a comfortable while responsive driving experience. It fulfills the consumer's demand for a high-quality motoring lifestyle. Finally, let us invite our distinguished guests to take photos on stage. Please welcome Mr. Rick Schneider. Welcome. Please welcome Mr. Ryan LaFontaine onto the stage. Please also welcome Mr. Feng Xingya. Mr. Jung Song, Mr. Yu Jun, Mr. Wang Qiujing. Please welcome. First, please move to the concept car. Now, please move to the GA4. Lastly, please move back to the center of the stage. Thank you for your cooperation. Please return to your seats. The press conference of GAC Motor is now over. We are highly appreciative of your continuing support for us. We wish you a pleasant experience at the North American International Auto Show.